Students never plan to fail, but they fail to plan. And as a result of which it is seen that most of our students are unable to test the success in their examinations. Hi, this is Dombi Inspire here, motivational speaker, student counselor and an NLP practitioner. Today I am here to share with you 5 very simple and effective techniques to plan out your day. My dear friends, first of all, you need to prepare a SMART goal for the entire day. When I say SMART goal, it should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and within the time frame or not. For example, you select 5 chapters from your physics subject. Now you have to check whether that 5 chapters can be accomplished during the entire day or not. If it is okay, if you can complete it, then you just consider it as a goal for the day. Secondly, subdivide your entire goal of the day into small subdivisions. For example, as you have already selected 5 chapters from your physics subject in the first step, now what you are going to do is that subdivide the entire 5 chapters into the 3 different time slots you have already prepared in the daily activity schedule, which already we have discussed in the earlier video. Complete 2 chapters in the morning, 1 chapter in the afternoon and 2 chapters in the evening, and a revision thereafter. Thirdly, work hard to achieve the target which you have already set. Give your 100%, if necessary more than that, but you have to accomplish the target. At any cost, you have to complete it because the target has been set by you. Fourthly, cherish the moment. Enjoy the achievement. If the achievement has been done, cherish the moment. This is the moment to cherish yourself. Enjoy. Give a pat on your back. You have done it. And lastly, but not the least, repeat this rigorously and consistently every day in your coming days. And I believe if you can do this regularly, consistently, my dear friends, believe me, you're going to have a hike of 20% in your coming examination from your existing stage. If you like this video, please share this video among your friends so that they can also be benefited from this video. And if you want to give some suggestion or if you want to write something, please write in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe this channel for more such wonderful and informative videos. That's all for today. Thank you.